We've all been there. You buy a fresh loaf of bread, eager to enjoy its soft texture and delicious aroma. But life gets busy, and before you know it, your once appetizing bread has transformed into a hard, unappetizing brick. Stale bread is a common household nuisance, leading to unnecessary food waste and a feeling of guilt. But what if there was a simple, effective way to preserve your bread's freshness and even enhance its health benefits? The secret lies in your freezer. Yes, you read that right. Freezing bread isn't just a method of preservation. It's a health hack that most people are unaware of. By harnessing the power of freezing, you can enjoy your favorite breads for longer periods without compromising their taste or nutritional value. Freezing halts the staling process, locking in the bread's moisture and flavor. This means you can say goodbye to those disappointing moments of reaching for a slice, only to find it hard and unappetizing. But the benefits go beyond mere preservation. Freezing bread can actually enhance its health benefits, making it an even more valuable addition to your diet. When you freeze bread, the starch molecules are stabilized, which can make the bread easier to digest. This process also helps in reducing the glycemic index of the bread, making it a healthier option for those watching their blood sugar levels. To get the best results, make sure to slice your bread before freezing it. This way you can take out only what you need, reducing waste even further, and don't worry about the taste. When you toast frozen bread, it comes out just as delicious and crispy as fresh bread. So next time you buy a loaf, remember the freezer is your friend. Preserve your bread, reduce waste, and enjoy the added health benefits. It's a simple change that can make a big difference in your kitchen and your health. The science behind freezing bread is surprisingly simple, yet incredibly effective. When you freeze bread, you're essentially hitting the pause button on the natural staling process, which is a common issue for bread lovers. Staling occurs when the starch molecules in bread recrystallize, causing the bread to lose its soft texture and become dry and crumbly. This process can happen quite quickly, especially in humid environments. Freezing slows down this recrystallization process, preserving the bread's freshness and texture for a much longer period. This means you can enjoy your bread just as it was when it was freshly baked. But how does freezing affect the taste and quality of the bread? Many people worry that freezing might ruin the flavor or make the bread soggy. When done correctly, freezing has minimal impact on the taste of most breads. In fact, many people can't even tell the difference between fresh and frozen bread. The key is to wrap the bread properly to prevent freezer burn, which can cause unpleasant flavors and odors. Using airtight packaging is essential to maintain the bread's quality. By following a few simple steps, you can ensure that your frozen bread retains its delicious taste and texture. Always make sure to label the packaging with the date to keep track of its freshness. The benefits of freezing bread extend beyond just preserving its freshness. It also allows you to buy in bulk and reduce food waste, saving both time and money. One of the most remarkable benefits is its impact on the bread's glycemic index, or GI. This can be particularly beneficial for those managing their blood sugar levels. The GI measures how quickly a food raises your blood sugar levels. Lowering the GI of bread can help maintain more stable blood sugar levels. Foods with a high GI are rapidly digested and absorbed, causing a spike in blood sugar levels. This can lead to a quick burst of energy followed by a rapid decline. This can lead to energy crashes, cravings, and over time, an increased risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes. By freezing bread, you can help mitigate these effects and enjoy a healthier diet. Freezing bread has been shown to lower its GI, making it a healthier choice for blood sugar control. The glycemic index, or GI, measures how quickly foods cause a rise in blood sugar levels. Foods with a lower GI are digested and absorbed more slowly, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar. This is because freezing alters the structure of the starch molecules in bread, transforming them into a more resistant form. This resistant starch is less accessible to digestive enzymes in our gut, which means it takes longer for our bodies to break it down, making them less accessible to digestive enzymes in our gut. This process is beneficial because it slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. As a result, frozen bread is digested and absorbed more slowly, which helps in maintaining a steady energy level throughout the day. This can be particularly advantageous for those who experience energy crashes after eating high GI foods, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. This steady rise is crucial for managing conditions like diabetes, where blood sugar control is essential for overall health. This lower GI effect of frozen bread is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. By choosing frozen bread, they can enjoy their favorite foods without worrying about sudden spikes in their blood sugar levels. By incorporating frozen bread into their diet, they can enjoy their favorite breads while managing their blood sugar levels more effectively. This simple change can make a significant difference in their overall health and well-being, but the benefits don't stop there. Freezing bread also helps in reducing food waste as it extends the shelf life of the bread, allowing you to enjoy it for a longer period without it going stale. Freezing bread also has a positive impact on gut health. The resistant starch formed during freezing acts as a prebiotic, which means it serves as food for the beneficial bacteria in our gut. Our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiota. These bacteria play a crucial role in our overall health, influencing everything from digestion and immunity to mental health and disease risk. These bacteria play a crucial role in our overall health, influencing everything from digestion and immunity to mental health and disease risk. A healthy gut microbiota is essential for maintaining a balanced and healthy body. A healthy gut microbiota is characterized by a diverse range of beneficial bacteria. These bacteria help in breaking down food, producing essential nutrients and protecting against harmful pathogens. These beneficial bacteria thrive on fiber, a type of carbohydrate that our bodies cannot digest. When we consume fiber, it reaches our colon undigested, where it serves as food for our gut bacteria. This process helps in maintaining a healthy and diverse gut microbiota. When we consume fiber, it reaches our colon undigested, where it serves as food for our gut bacteria. This not only supports gut health, but also contributes to overall well-being by promoting better digestion and nutrient absorption. Section 4, Freezing Bread 101, a step-by-step guide. Freezing bread properly is crucial for maintaining its texture, flavor, and nutritional value. Follow these simple steps to freeze your bread like a pro. First, before freezing, ensure your bread has cooled completely to room temperature. This prevents condensation from forming inside the packaging, which can lead to freezer burn and soggy bread. Next, slicing your bread before freezing allows you to conveniently thaw only the amount you need, reducing waste. Then, proper wrapping is essential to prevent freezer burn. Wrap your bread tightly in plastic wrap, followed by aluminum foil or freezer-safe bags, squeezing out as much air as possible. Finally, label your frozen bread with the date to keep track of its freshness. For optimal quality, use frozen bread within 3 to 6 months. Section 5. Thawing and enjoying your frozen loaf. Thawing frozen bread is just as simple as freezing it. Here are 3 methods you can use. First, for individual slices, simply pop them straight from the freezer into your toaster. Add a little extra toasting time to ensure the bread is heated through. Second, for larger portions, thaw your bread at room temperature for a few hours or overnight. Ensure the bread is completely thawed before using. And lastly, to thaw an entire loaf quickly, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Remove the bread from its packaging and wrap it in foil. Bake for 30 to 45 minutes or until heated through. Section 6. Beyond the basics, additional tips for optimal freezing. Here are some additional tips to ensure your frozen bread stays fresh and delicious. First, for best results, freeze your bread as soon as possible after purchasing or baking. This helps lock in the freshness and flavor. Second, most types of bread freeze well, including white, wheat, sourdough, and even bagels. However, some breads, like croissants and pastries, may not freeze as well due to their delicate texture. Third, once thawed, it's best to avoid refreezing bread as it can negatively impact its texture and quality. And finally, don't limit yourself to just toast. Frozen bread can be used in various recipes, such as bread pudding, French toast, or breadcrumbs. Section 7. Elevate your health, one slice at a time. Freezing bread is a simple yet effective way to reduce food waste, save money, and enhance the health benefits of this staple food. By understanding the science behind freezing and following these practical tips, you can confidently incorporate frozen bread into your diet, enjoying its delicious taste and nutritional advantages. So go ahead, Embrace the power of your freezer and elevate your health one slice at a time.